We handled the trenching. Then our subcontractor, the plumber, came in and ran this PVC line that's eventually going to be the auto refill valve for our pool. Now, to hold that in place, because it's got so much membering to it, we're going to use these tomahawk stakes to hold it down. Also valuable if there's a major rain event, that pipe won't become buoyant, won't come up. Now, we will fill in these trenches and our equipotential bonding cable once our inspections are done. You can see that our coping is in. There's a couple tricks of the trade with that coping. Number one, on top of the grade beam, we're going to use a white Portland cement. No shrinking, no cracking. We're going to mix that with about 60% sand, masonry sand, and 40% white cement. We're going to use that just to level off that surface. It's not an adhesive. Then we're going to put our track down with Tapcons. The Tapcons will secure the track. It will eventually be the track for our pool cover. Now that is about 1 inch high, so it gives us a couple of options. Number one, we could use a high strength concrete mix and build up just below the top of that track, and then use one of these adhesives to put our coping down. That's a great option. Our second option is to go all the way up that entire inch with one of these adhesives. Our first option is a type S. This is about 60% cement. The next one is type N, about 40% cement, a little more forgiving. So we need to match the coping we're using, its absorption rate, its freeze-thaw durability, to the adhesive, to the climate that we're in. Very important. There are also some thin set outdoor adhesives on the market. If you're looking to save time and money, you might want to look into the Alliance XP adhesive. It's hydraulic. It expands into the pores of the concrete for the coping and the grade beam of the pool. It also has low VOC technology. Now, at Techo-Bloc, we have a number of options for pool coping. The most popular being stone, the Clean Block technology, which is stain-free, and bullnose and the refined series. This one, called Raffinado, it's available in 60 and 90 millimeter thickness. This is the 60 millimeter at 2 3/8 in a grade nickel color. Neat thing about that, on the far side of the pool, we're actually going to build a retaining wall right on it. I can't wait to show you that.